Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron your own hair. First, ensure your hair is completely clean and dry before you begin. Next, generously apply a high-quality heat protectant spray to every strand, from the roots to the very ends. This crucial step shields your hair from potential heat damage. Then, gently detangle your hair using a wide-tooth comb, removing any knots. Finally, divide your hair into several manageable sections, each about 1 to 2 inches thick, securing them with clips. Now let's master the ironing technique. Choose a flat iron with ceramic or tourmaline plates, as these provide even heat distribution. Select a temperature setting suitable for your hair type. Finer hair needs lower heat, while thicker hair can handle more. Take a small section of hair, about 1 inch wide, and place it between the iron's plates. Glide the iron smoothly and steadily down the hair shaft, from roots to ends, without stopping. Repeat this process once or twice per section, if needed. Once you've ironed all sections, it's time for the finishing touches. Allow your hair to cool completely before touching or styling it further. This helps set the straightness. Next, dispense a pea-sized amount of lightweight hair serum into your palms and gently smooth it over your hair for added shine and to tame any flyaways. Remember to avoid over-ironing, as this can cause damage. Finally, use a light hold hairspray to keep your perfectly straightened style in place all day. To maintain your beautifully straightened hair, consider a few key tips. Sleeping on a silk or satin pillowcase can significantly reduce friction and prevent frizz, helping your style last longer. Try to avoid high humidity, as moisture can cause your hair to revert to its natural texture. If you need to refresh your style between washes, a good quality dry shampoo can work wonders. Also, remember to deep condition your hair regularly, perhaps once every 2 weeks, to keep it healthy and strong.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.